This is our third class. The first class, in the first class we studied about constitution, what constitution is, what is the meaning of constitution, etc., etc. And in the second class we studied about what are the characteristics of a good constitution. I hope you all understood the class, and I got some good reviews as well that they understood the class. Some did not send any feedback. I'm expecting everyone to send feedback. The feedbacks that I received was very positive. They understood the class and wanted to continue the way we are. So today we'll be continuing our class, and our new concept will be, why do we need a constitution? A very simple question. You understood what constitution is? You understood what are the good characteristics of a constitution? And today we will be learning about why do we need a constitution. It is a very important question, and this must come to your mind, that because you guys are studying constitution, Sangvidhan, you also know what are the good characteristics of a constitution. But now the biggest question lies is, why do you need a constitution? For that, you must understand what constitution is, which we did. What constitution does, before I explain it to you, let me give you an example to set the tone. Suppose you are in a school, maybe say a hostel, a very strict hostel where you are not allowed to do everything that you want. In a very strict hostel, you will get your food on time, you have to study on time, sleep on time, wake up on time. Now this does not happen at home, right? At times we eat at 9, at times we eat at 11, sometimes we sleep at 11, sometimes it takes we sleep at 3 or 3:30 a.m. At times we wake up at 6, sometimes it like 10 a.m. It happens in our home. But in hostel this cannot happen, because most of the power of controlling stays in the hands of the warden. It is very, very strict. For your good though, not for the hostel, for your good only, so that you become disciplined. Now, if the same thing happens in our general life, it will become a little bit harsh on our part, isn't it? You have to wake up in a particular time. The shops will be open from this time to this time, and you have to shop then only. Just what is happening now. 5 बजे सारा दुकान बंद, 7 बजे सब घर के अंदर. There is no freedom, and the reason is the pandemic, the COVID-19 pandemic. Everything is limited, and look at our lives. Isn't it irritating to stay at home? Isn't it irritating not be able to meet your friends? Staying back home, doing online classes, same old notes, no interactive classes, no friends, no parties, nothing. Now, considering that, imagine if it stays like that forever. Will we be able to survive like this? Yes, we will be able to survive, but not with that kind of freedom. We will not be happy, because we do not have control of things. The point here is, where we do not have any control, we find difficult to live. If you stay at home and you do something wrong, your mom and dad become strict, and they start putting new rules in the house. You cannot get out after 5 p.m. You have to wake up at this time. You have to study from this time to this time. You cannot touch your phone. You can't do this. You can't do that. Now, when you're losing your control over something, it becomes irritating, isn't it? We always want things to happen our ways. When we feel that we are being controlled by someone and we cannot do anything, it's a very irritating scenario. if it happens in our country, you will be irritated to the power infinity. The reason is, if it happens in your house, घर के अंदर होता है, घर के अंदर होता है, छोटा सा घर है, इसके अंदर होता है, and you feel irritated. And imagine this happening on a larger scale, like in the entire country. कैसा लगेगा? Frustrated, right? Now, what is to be kept in mind here is, what is to be kept in mind here is, the constitution is the only tool that curbs the power of the government. सर नहीं समझा ना? That curbs the power of the government means what? It stops the power of the government or limits the power of the government. Government cannot do anything or everything it wants. The actual power stays with the people. Suppose if there was no constitution, then suppose you stay in a village and the road is completely destroyed. The condition of the roads are pathetic. You cannot walk on those roads, let alone using cycles, bicycles or bikes or car. Even walking on such road is very risky. In such a situation, what can you do? You can file a complaint with the Gaon Buddha, the head of the village. Or if you're in a town, you can file a complaint in the town committee that please repair our road. If they do not listen, you approach the SDC. Even if they do not approach, you go to the DC. So there is a mechanism. Moreover, you succeeded. The town committee says, okay, आपका रास्ता बन जाएगा, अपना रास्ता बनी जाबो, तार कारणे आमी 25 lakh rupees दी दिसु. So 25 lakh rupees was issued, but the roads are never repaired or made. What do? 25 लाख टका हिले रास्ता नया बना, हाँ घनौर करते ही रहे आप लोग. ये इसको बोलता है, ये इसको बोलता है, ये इसको बोलता है. Can this solve the issue? Can this resolve the issue? No. Something has to be done to repair the road. Something has to be done to stop this kind of corruption. Something has to be done, because the money that is given is the money of the public. Your money, my money. This cannot be misused. What as general public we will do? If you do not have the idea of constitution, अगर आपको पता नहीं है constitution क्या है, आप क्या करोगे? You will gossip with your friends, you will gossip with your parents. ए शौक ना रास्ता दुकाने पैसा ऐसे सब खाई दिले, सब politician बर्बाद कर दिले, सब पैसा खाई नहीं जोड़ है ही करी से. You will say this only. इससे आगे तो बढ़ नहीं सकते, because you do not know the constitution. You have certain rights. Go file an RTI, right to information. Take the help of a lawyer or just fill up the form online. कि what happened to this particular grant or particular fund of 25 lakhs that was issued to XYZ village for repairing of road of 1 kilometer. 25 lakh rupees were issued 2 years ago. What happened to the money? Why isn't the road being repaired or new roads are being made? What happened to the money? You can question. But for that you must know the rule. You must have the power to question. Simply questioning someone is not enough. You can't go to the inspector in the police station and ask apni ene kele korile. You cannot do that. There are certain rights, there are certain rules and regulations, there are certain mechanism to do it. Suppose you find anything wrong in the school, in your class, what do you do first? There is a mechanism. You cannot go to the headmistress directly. First what you will do? You will try to talk to the person who did the wrong thing. Nahi suna, approach the class monitor. Nahi suna, approach the class teacher, and finally if the class teacher does not understand or does not reply, then you approach the headmistress. There is a mechanism and you must know it. If you do not know the mechanism, what you will do? You will keep on crying, this happened in the class, what will we do? Muk marile, hand then. You will keep on crying because you do not know the power. So in order to understand the power and in order to take advantage of it, you must know what the constitution is. This is why we need the constitution. What the constitution does is it gives you that power what is required. आपको ये पावर देता है. And everything must be written. কৈছিলো নহয় ক'ত লিখা আছে স্বীকৃতি দিব লাগিব অকল নিয়ম বনালে নহব অকল অধিকাৰ দিলে নহব হে অধিকাৰটোক স্বীকৃতি দিব লাগিব it must be granted officially by something. Understood? Only giving power is not enough. Someone has to grant it. Don't minimize the app, because in that case your video feed stops and I understand you're doing something else. So do not do that. Now coming back to the point, remember always having power is not enough. তোমার ওসব পাওয়ার আছে কোলে নহব নহয়. It must be justified, it must be written somewhere, it must be written by a proper authority. RTI করে দিল 25 লাখ টাকা কোনে খালে আমার রাস্তার পয়সা অকল RTI করিলে হব নাকি RTI পাওয়ার কোনে দিছে হু গেভ ইউ দ্য পাওয়ার আপনার কোনে অথরিটি দিছে এবোৰ কৰাৰ কাৰণে সুধিবই পাৰে then you can say section this much of the Indian constitution gave me the power to ask for information from you. Understood why constitution is important now? It curbs, first of all it curbs the power. Curbs मतलब limits the power of the government. Government जो मर्जी नहीं कर सकता. Government cannot do whatever they want. Government has the power, but government cannot do everything that they want. जो मन जाए वही कर देगा क्या? No. Government cannot do whatever they want because the constitution limits the power. First. Secondly, the constitution gives you the power. Gives you the power of what? Gives you the power to speak up, raise your voice where there is wrong. One, it curbs the power of the government. Second, it gives you what? The rights that you require in order to live in a particular country. In order to enjoy your life in a particular country, you need certain rights. Like, you're talking to me. You have any doubt? You'll ask. You'll ask now over chat message. You will speak up or you'll send me a WhatsApp. That is your right. You're paying for it. You are paying school fees in order to get education, and that too good education, high valued education from teachers, where doubts will be clear time and again. If you ask me a doubt and I do not reply, I have to reply today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, but I have to reply because you have the right. If you complain to the headmisters that sir, we ask sir a lot of doubt and sir does not reply to our messages or never clears our doubt in the next class, then I will be charged, I will be fined, I might be thrown out of the school, I may be asked to resign because I am not performing my duty. And who will make sure that I perform my duty well? You. You have to make sure that your teachers are performing well. Same way, in the country, you have to make sure that the ministers are performing well, that the contractors are doing their work properly. For that, how will you know? ये तो आप लोगों को पता ही है सारोर काम की सारोर काम होल पहुआ पढ़ाई मिले आमक डाउट्स टू बुझाई दिया सिंपल you know your rights now, you know your rights, that you are right, you have right to notes, I have to give you notes, you have the right. What about the country? কোনোবাই রাস্তা নাই বনোৱা কোনোবাই এটা সার্টিফিকেটত সাইন নাই দিয়া. Some people do not sign on a particular document. You have some money in some account, you want to take it out, it is your account but you are not allowed to take out the money. So there are various reasons, but you cannot do anything because you do not know your rights, because you do not know your powers. This constitution, any constitution, not only this constitution, any constitution gives you the power. It tells you the power, it tells you about yourself कि आपके पास ये powers है, आप ये कर सकता है, अगर आपके साथ गलत हुआ तो you can do this and this. Is it clear? Now it also recognizes the fundamental, as I said, it recognizes the fundamental rights of the people. These rights are meaningless without recognition. These rights are what? Meaningless without recognition. मेरे बात को सुनो. When you will study the chapter, you will understand. It gives you right. Fine. The constitution gives you what? Rights. Odhikar. Right? But it also not only it gives you rights, it gives recognition. খালি নিয়ম বা অধিকাৰ বনালে নহ'ব, সেই অধিকাৰটোক স্বীকৃতি দিব লাগিব, কোনোবা এজনে তাক এপ্ৰুভ কৰিব লাগিব, কোনোবা এজনে তাক ৰেকগনাইজ কৰিব লাগিব যে য়েছ দিছ ইজ ইয়ৰ ৰাইট. হু ৰেকগনাইজেছ ইয়ৰ ৰাইট? দ্য কনষ্টিটিউশ্যন অফ ইণ্ডিয়া. কোনোবাই কিবা ক'লে ক'ব লাগিবতো, কাৰণ এইটো ডাইলগটো মই ক'লো নহয় সদায়, ক'ত লিখা আছে, দিছ ক'ত লিখা আছে কেন বি টেকেন ফ্ৰম কনষ্টিটিউশ্যন. অঁ লিখা আছেতো, ক'ত লিখা আছে? ইণ্ডিয়ান কনষ্টিটিউশ্যন বা কনষ্টিটিউশ্যন অফ জাৰ্মানি. আমি ইণ্ডিয়ান আমি ক'ম দ্য ইণ্ডিয়ান কনষ্টিটিউশ্যন, ছেকশ্যন নম্বৰ বা আৰ্টিকল নম্বৰ 21 পেৰা নম্বৰ ইমানত লিখা আছে এনেকুৱা এনেকুৱা কথা হয় বুলি লিখাটো আছে. আণ্ডাৰষ্টুড? দিছ ইজ ৱাই উই নিড দ্য কনষ্টিটিউশ্যন. নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন কামছ, হাউ ডাজ দ্য কনষ্টিটিউশ্যন ডেভেলপ? দেখো তো প্লিজ, হাউ ডাজ দ্য কনষ্টিটিউশ্যন ডেভেলপ? মানে when you see a baby, forget a baby, baby takes time to grow. Take an example of a cat or a kitten or a puppy, छोटा सा puppy. 2 महीने पहले आप उसको देखा, 2 months back you saw that puppy this much, ये पिटकी मिटकी इतना प्यारा क्यूट डॉग लग रहा था. You even go close to the dog and try to feed biscuits and everything. इतना प्यारा है, ये है वो है. Come after 6 months, देखे आपका हिम्मत, तब जाएगा कुत्ता के सामने? No, very few people have the power to go close to that dog. अभी बड़ा हो गया है, अभी काट लेगा. Right? Why? Develop. See, the dog first, जब dog छोटा था, when the puppy was small, the puppy could not save itself from anyone. It could not defend itself. तो उसको हम लोग प्यार से रखता है, गोदी में रखता है. We keep it in a cot. We feed him with a milk feeding bottle, right? बच्चा लोग को जो खिलाता है feeding bottle. But slowly and slowly it grows. Yes? Just a second, huh? Okay. So slowly and slowly it grows. So when it grows, it does not need that much of your help, right? तब उसको बिस्किट खिला के देना नहीं पड़ता है, दूध पिला के देना. You give it in a कटोरा, in a utensil. It drinks the milk itself. Then what do you do? Then you say, suppose, just a second. Then you suppose give biscuit. Now you do not feed the biscuit. You throw the biscuit or you give the biscuit like this. उसको मुंह के अंदर घुसा के नहीं देना पड़ता है, right? Why so? Because the dog or the kitten is developing day by day. It is trying to stand in its own feet. Same way, when it grows completely, it does not require your help. Completely Atmanirbhar, self-dependent. This happens with the constitution also. Every constitution is a baby at a point. And slowly, as time requires, as time passes by, it changes. If you see foreign dogs, dogs which are imported, or you see dogs which stay in cold areas, बचपन में देखने तो छोटा रहता है, you have to put them in a blanket, keep them warm. Slowly and slowly, when they grow, you see a lot of hairs in their body. The coat becomes thicker and thicker. Their body coat becomes thicker and thicker. That is a natural change. They are actually adapting to that climate. Same way the constitution also has to develop. अगर develop नहीं करेगा तो क्या होगा? What will happen if the dog does not develop fur? इतना मोटा मोटा fur अगर नहीं होगा, what will happen to the dog? It will die of cold, right? Same way, if the constitution does not develop from time to time, it will be also of no use. पुराना लॉ का कोई काम नहीं है. ओल्ड लॉस क्या बोलता था? ओल्ड लॉ था ना, कहाँ गया? There is an old law that women have to put what? This. ऐसे रखता था ना, घूंघटा रखता था कि नहीं? ससुर जी आ गया तो क्या आ गया? भसुर जी आ गया तो ऐसे रखे एकदम पुंडा. ससुर जी क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं, ऐसे करके देखेगा, फिर से लुका देगा माथा, है ना? This happens. Now does it happen? Does it happen now? Now this has changed. This is adapted from here. It was like this. Now it is few years ago it was like this. And आजकल तो ऐसा हो गया. बोलिए क्या है, right? तो how does it change? How do they adapt? They are adapting, right? They are changing themselves with the time. So constitution also has to change. अब कोई घूंघटा लगा के आएगा तो weird लगेगा ना. If anyone comes to your house with a घूंघटा till here, you cannot see the face. भाई ये आदमी है कि औरत है कि कौन है, बोलता तो है मेरा मौसी है कि नहीं है कि कोई और है, तो how would you know? Is it possible? No. Same thing in olden times, if someone came with jeans and t-shirt, हाँ ससुर जी कैसा है, odd लगेगा, लगेगा कि नहीं लगेगा odd? So with time you have to change. With time you have to change. You cannot be rigid. We talked about it in the last class. Too much rigidity is not good. Too much flexibility is also not good. It must be a limitation. अब आपको घूंघटा ठीक है, फाइन, घूंघटा यहाँ तक लगाता है, दिस इज फाइन, दिस इज कॉल्ड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. बट आप घूंघटा ही हटा दिया, आप टी शर्ट और हाफ पैंट पहन के ससुर जी के सामने नाच रहे तो दैट इज नॉट फाइन. दैट इज टू मच ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. सी, टू मच ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इज नॉट गुड and too much of rigidity is also not good. Same way the constitution has to develop itself, because if it does not develop, it will die. It will be of absolute no use. The constitution will be of absolutely no use if it does not change itself with the time. Therefore, the constitution has to develop from time to time. Now the question comes, how, sir? Constitution is not a human being. How can the constitution develop from time to time? The constitution can develop from time to time with the help of amendments. Number one, there are various ways of developing. Number one is amendment. Sir, amendment क्या है? Amendment is nothing but a very high class English language that is used in place of the word change. Change की जगह पे हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं यहाँ पे? Amendment. Clear? Amend, बुक पढ़ेगा समझ में आ जाएगा. No need to find the word. When you will read, हम बता देगा कौन सा पढ़ना है. नेक्स्ट पेज, लास्ट क्लास में जो पढ़ा था ना, फीचर्स ऑफ अ गुड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, द नेक्स्ट पेज व्हेन यू रीड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. अमेंडमेंट वर्ड भी मिल जाएगा आप लोगों को, सो पे अटेंशन हियर. अमेंडमेंट मीन्स नथिंग बट चेंज. अगेन आई एम गिविंग यू एन एग्जाम्पल. आई ऑल्सो गिव इट इन द लास्ट क्लास. देर वॉज अ गैंग रेप इन Delhi where one of the rapist was what? Minor. Remember? तो according to rule 18 years के नीचे अगर कोई होगा, if there is a minor cannot be given any kind of punishment. उसको कहाँ भेजेगा? उसको भेजेगा रिहैबिलिटेशन सेंटर, पागल ठीक करने का सेंटर, या दिमागी संतुलन बिगड़ गया है ऐसा उसको बोल के दे विल सेंड हिम टू द रिहैबिलिटेशन सेंटर. नॉट जेल, नो फांसी, नथिंग. नो फांसी, नो जेल, उम्र कैद, कुछ भी नहीं. सो दिस इज हार्श, इजंट इट? दिस इज हार्श ऑन पार्ट ऑफ द विमेन. तो इसको तो चेंज करना था, चेंज करना पड़ेगा ना. इट हैज टू डेवलप विद टाइम. ओल्डन टाइम्स व्हेन द लॉ वाज मेड, तब ठीक था, तब 18 years and above people used to do this kind of heinous crime, this kind of bad crimes where heinous crimes were done by people of age 22, 23, 45, 46, मतलब above 18 years of age. और बाकी 18 साल के नीचे बच्चा होता था, उन लोगों को कुछ ऐसा नहीं करता था. But nowadays things have changed. Crime rate has increased. Even small kids are, small boys like 15, 16, 17 are also doing this kind of crime. So what do? You keep the law same? No, you change it. And that word change is said what? Amendment. You have to amend the law in order to suit the requirement. आज का requirement क्या है? 13 years and above. For any kind of crime, 13 years and above हुआ, तब भी you will get a punishment. Simple. Clear? This is called amendment. Amendment means changing the law from time to time. Law cannot be the same. Just the way in your school uniform changes from time to time, the way the teachers teach changes from time to time, the way every new headmistress comes, new rules come, new hairstyle. kabhi you have to wear, there's a hairstyle also given for everyone. pehle to ye nahi tha. So from time to time everything changes. Ribbon changes, color changes, dress changes. This is called amendment. Changing, and change for good. Imagine you are wearing the same kind of dress that used to be worn in 1974 or 78 when students joined St. Mary's. अच्छा लगता? No. Now things have changed, dress have changed. You can use blazers, you can use sweaters, right? There are color comparison. सुंदर से पहन सकता है, कोई भी कलर का स्वेटर पहनने से नहीं होगा. So this is called change from time to time for good. इसको लॉ का भाषा में कहा जाता है amendment. Next is judicial interpretation. What is it? बहुत ध्यान से सुनना. Listen to me carefully. Judicial interpretation. फर्स्ट अमेंडमेंट हम बोला. हाउ कैन अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डेवलप? नंबर 1 अमेंडमेंट. क्यों डेवलप, वाई शुड इट डेवलप? आई टोल्ड यू. क्यों डेवलप नहीं करेगा तो दिकदारी है. इट हैज़ टू डेवलप विद टाइम. हाउ विल इट डेवलप? नंबर 1 is amendment. Number 2 is what? Number 2 is judicial interpretation. What is judicial interpretation, sir? Example দিছিলো নহয় ক্লাছত. মোৰ তোমাক ভাল লাগে. सिंपल लॉ में लिखा हुआ है ভাল লাগে. This ভাল লাগে has to be defined. What kind of ভাল লাগে? Who will tell you? What kind of ভাল লাগে is included in this ভাল লাগে? The word used is ভাল লাগে. এই ভাল লাগে ৱৰ্ডটোত কি কি ৰকমৰ কি কি ধৰণৰ ভাল লাগে সোমাই আছে তো আমি নাজানো. এইটো ভাইটি নিচিনাও ভাল পাব পাৰে, এইটো বন্ধুৰ নিচিনাও ভাল পাব পাৰে, এইটো বেলেগ হেৰি নিচিনাও সৰু ভাইটি নিচিনাও ভাল লাগব পাৰে, সৰু ভণ্টি নিচিনা বা দাদা নিচিনা, বাইদেউ নিচিনা, মাহী নিচিনা, পেহী নিচিনা, চব ফালৰ ভাল পাব পাৰে. কোনখিনি ভাল পোৱা এই ভাল লগাটোৰ ভিতৰত সোমাই আছে? Who will tell you? Court. From time to time, whenever there is any miscommunication, misunderstanding, wrong interpretation of the law, bhul bujabuji hoy jaye, what does the court do? What does the judge do? They interpret মানে বুজাই দিয়ে এই ভাল পোৱাটোৰ ভিতৰত এইখিনি বস্তু সোমাই আছে. তেতিয়াতো মিছআণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ডিং ক্লিয়াৰ. দিছ ইজ কল্ড জুডিচিয়েল ইণ্টাৰপ্ৰিটেশ্যন. আৰু জাজ তো হাৱাত হ'ব নোৱাৰে, সব ল জানিব লাগিব. অল দ্য ল ইউ মাষ্ট নো এণ্ড ইউ মাষ্ট বিকাম আ মাষ্টাৰ অফ অল দ্য লজ. দেন ইউ মাষ্ট হেভ এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ অফ 13, 14 years, 15 years, only then you can become judge. সেই জাজজন তো বুৰ্বক নহয়. That judge will give you interpretation ki ekhinit এইটো বস্তু ক্লেৰিফিকেশ্যন আৰু চিধা চিধি কথাত ক্লেৰিফিকেশ্যন দিয়া. দিছ ইজ কল্ড জুডিচিয়েল ইণ্টাৰপ্ৰিটেশ্যন. তো ল ডেভেলপ কৰা, কনষ্টিটিউশ্যন ডেভেলপ কৰাৰ প্ৰথম কি? আমেণ্ডমেণ্ট. সেকেণ্ড জুডিচিয়েল ইণ্টাৰপ্ৰিটেশ্যন. ক্লিয়াৰ? তাৰপিছত কি আছে চোৱা, এই দুটা একচুৱেলি আসল. দ্য মেইন most important is this two only. Then the third one is more or less the same. Then comes the contents of constitution, or one more point, the last point that we'll understand today. Remember, you have to study page number 11 and 12. 11 number page or 12 number page. Why do we need a constitution and how does a constitution develop? Bas. Got it? Only these two, not more than that. I'll send you the photo also in the group. कौन सा पार्ट पढ़ना है? Okay. Now, one point here. एक नया कंसेप्ट सिखाएगा. What is the difference between constitutional government and government according to constitution? Can you tell me? What is the difference between constitutional government and government according to constitution? Okay, I will not explain it today. I'm just asking. We'll explain in the next class. Aji bujale matha ene beya hoy jabo. Again I'm saying, what is the difference between constitutional government and government according to constitution? Read the book, understand, and send me your answer over WhatsApp. What you understood. Book का language नहीं लिखना है. Clear? Book का language नहीं लिखना है. Write it in your own language. कि सर मैं এইটো অসমীয়াত লিখিলেও হ'ব, হিন্দীত লিখিলেও হ'ব, এংলো ইংলিছত লিখিলেও হ'ব, এংলো আছামিছত লিখিলেও হ'ব, যেনেকৈ মন যায়. Just explain it to me in your own words over WhatsApp. ठीक है? You can find it in chapter number, page number 12. You have to read that part and just explain me. তুমি কি বুঝি পালা? Just to find out whether you are getting my point properly or not. Fine? So we understood what? Two things today. We recapped our previous class and we understood what? We understood why do we need constitution, and secondly, how does a constitution develop? And I gave you a question. What is the difference between constitutional government and government according to constitution? In the next class, I will give you the answer of this question. I'll teach you what it actually means, and we'll carry on with our class with contents of constitution and the framing of Indian constitution. In the next class, we'll come to Indian constitution. Fine? So far we are talking about constitution. Next class we'll study about a little bit about constitution, and then we'll skip to Indian constitution. All right, so please send me a feedback after the class. We'll meet in the next class tomorrow. Fine, I'll upload the video of this on YouTube, as well as I'll send the audio in the group also. Bye bye.